uDamian Dialende uzodlala itest yakhe yes-100 for the Springboks as he partners with uJesse Kriel in the center kumdlalo wokuqala of rugby's greatest rivalry tour abazodlala against the All Blacks e-Ellis Park Stadium. Umqeqeshi uRassie Erasmus ukhethe uPeter Steph du Toit as ukapteni njengoba uSiya Kolisi engekho kwi-match day 23. Sasha Feinberg Mngomezulu and uGrant Williams ibona abazoba ama-halfback pairing.
So we see us the same. Sia probably could have played, but risking him this weekend, and then you get to match 3 of the series, and then you have a lot of walking wounded. So on those 2, that's definitely the thought process.
Umqeqeshi uRassie Erasmus says that a strong start kwi-greatest rivalry tour against Wanama All Blacks will be vital. Kodwa-ke he doesn't believe ukuthi le series lena will be won in the first match. Ukhumbula ukuthi kusazodlalwa futhi nase-Cape Town at the DHL Stadium before they come back to the FNB Stadium bese beyivala lapha eBaltimore in the USA.
This game, which is going to get played on Saturday, is definitely not the game that will determine. We've seen it in the Lions series. We've seen it many times, and World Cup pools, we lose a pool game. It is who's still standing and how many men you still got fit and ready to go when it gets to Orlando and then eventually to Baltimore.
Siyazi ukuthi matches between the two nations are always tightly contested, but uzokhumbula ukuthi the last time that the Springboks faced in New Zealand kwakuse-Sky Stadium eWellington khona lapha eNew Zealand where ama-Springboks akwazi ukuwina ngo-43-10 kulowo mdlalo. But ucoach uRassie Erasmus uthi into eyenzekelile in the past ngeke izisho lutho when it comes to igame yakhona this weekend.
I see a lot of people are quoting stats of how many wins and how many losses. It's your last game that count. And our last game is not the last one we played in Wellington. It's the game we're playing on Saturday. So we won't be stupid enough to think it's going to be that easy.
Kazi iyozala Nkomoni, stay tuned to all our platforms like Gagasi FM njengoba sokunikeza ama-updates live from the stadium. Igama uSamkelo, the sports mchita, reporting live from the Ellis Park Stadium in Johannesburg.